More detail, offers more megapixels, 42.2 vs 24 MP, with a 33% higher linear resolution. Maximized detail, lacks an anti-alias filter to exploit the sensor's full resolution potential. High-quality composites can combine several shots after pixel shifting its sensor. Better image quality, scores markedly higher, 8 points, in the DxO overall assessment. Richer colors, generates images with noticeably better colors, 1.1 bits more color depth. More dynamic range, captures a larger spectrum of light and dark details, 1.4 eV of extra DR. More affordable, was introduced into a lower priced category, 29% cheaper at launch. More modern, is somewhat more recent, announced 6 months after the A9.